ஹாய், ஹலோ, வணக்கம் அண்ட் வெல்கம் டு லைஃப் வித் ஜிகே. நான் தான் உங்க ஜிகே பேசுறேன். இந்த வீடியோல ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான இன்டர்வியூ பார்க்க போறோம். சுசுகி ஷோரூம் போயிட்டு அங்க ரெஸ்பெக்டட் ஜெனரல் மேனேஜர் கிட்டயும் கஸ்டமர் கூட ஒரு கூலான இன்டராக்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். Good morning, everyone. Today we are here in Durga Bhavani Motors, and I am here to ask you questions to the general manager, Mr.
Sundaram Session.
Sir. And today I am here to the consumer behavior interview review too. And sir, can you give us a brief introduction about yourself?
Well, I am Sundaram Session, age 75. I had a vast experience in the automobile field for the past 50 years, and I have entered to this area by 12 years experience. I think I know a little bit about the vehicle, and still I have to learn more. That's what I think.
It sounds very good, Morgan. Why did you choose this profession, sir?
Very nice question. Actually, only in the sales or in the marketing we can interact with so many people and so different kinds of people, and according to that we can gain so many knowledges.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Suppose if I have put up in one area where there is no contact with the people or customers, you won't gain the knowledge.
Yes.
Because of, and not only that, I am having a personal interest in this also. Understand?
Yes, sir.
That's why I think that keeps me young today itself.
You are still young, sir.
Yeah, of course.
The next question is, what are the products sold here, and what are the different models present in this store?
Sir, we are dealing only in Suzuki two-wheelers. Understand? Suzuki two-wheelers is a different product from the cars. Understand? Two-wheeler means maximum we are selling scooters and very little bikes. Understand? That is also sporting. In the scooter segment, we are having two major variants. One is the Bourbon Street, another is the Access 135. Both are with 120 fitted with 120cc AC. But in this also, we are having so many variants. In Bourbon, we are having two variants, named with the Bluetooth and without Bluetooth. In Access, we are having 7 variants. That is from the basic level to the top end. Basic level means it will have an economy model, or you can say it's as a basic model with combined brake system, drum brake, everything. The next one is the alloy wheel, comes with the alloy wheel and with the same braking system. And the third one is the alloy wheel fitted with disc brake in the front. Fourth one is the alloy wheel with chromium mirror and mobile charger. Fifth one is the alloy wheel with the disc brake, chromium mirror, mobile charger. These two pairs are known as the special edition. Apart from that, we are having 2 other variants. That is fitted with Bluetooth. Understand? But all these vehicles, all these axles will have the same engine, same what's called features and everything. Not features.
Specification.
No, specification. I am telling about the specification. Take example, the ground clearance will be the same, the wheelbase will be the same, tire width and the tire the sizes are the same. The only some features will change. Understand?
Yes, sir. The next question is, what is the favorite choice and model of the customers?
Most of the customers nowadays prefers only to access. The reason behind that is they doesn't want to have the friction to change the gear in the traffic, and it is more comfortable also. You take the select the scooter, you can take your family, you can keep your luggage less. So most of the customers they prefer only scooters. according to their budget,
Yeah, yeah.
they may go to the variants.
Yes. Understand. What is the most selling bikes in both geared and ungeared bikes?
See, in geared vehicle, we are having three variants: 150cc, 250cc, and in 150cc, intruder. Okay, these bikes are very, very rare, very rare selling. Only those who prefer for cross country road, or they prefer loving driving the motorcycle, they prefer that. Understand? Otherwise, people will have select only the scooter.
So what is the most selling model in this
Access.
Access? Why do they prefer that?
Because it is more convenient.
Okay.
As I told you earlier, it is more convenient, easy to have, and the vehicle can be driven by both the husband and the wife.
Yeah.
There is no need to keep a motorcycle for the husband and the scooter for the wife. Understand?
When customers reach the showroom, will they look at the price or they come with the model?
The question is very good. See, what is, as I told you, I am interacting with so many people every day. I am interacting with so many people. Customers are very, very different. Some people may be with right mind. Some people will have this, already they have prefixed their mind to purchase the vehicle. So we cannot easily differentiate whether they are choosing the money or choosing the vehicle. That difference.
So when they come with the thinking of price and model, what will your suggestion be given to them?
See, I will give all the speeches to them. I will explain everything. If necessary, I will give a test rate to them. So, if they are convinced, if they are satisfied, they will change their mind and they will purchase the vehicle.
It's good strategy for the selling.
Yeah, that's the easiest way. What I am not trying to sell what I am having. Understand? Instead of that, I am making a customer to accept this. Okay.
So the next question is, when a customer reaches and buy a product, and what are the offers given to them? And can you please mention the festival offers which you are giving to them?
As regards offers, we are not supposed to give any offers.
Okay, sir.
Since my product is good and my service is good, they are happy with the service and they are happy with my product. So there is no need for the offers. If the company gives any festival offers, any office special, we can easily give it to them, transfer it to them. We will transfer it. Please note the word. We are transferring the benefit to them. Understand this? Please transfer it.
So the showroom is not giving any specific offers. They just transfer the offers which are given by the
By the
Suzuki
principal.
company. Yes.
By the principal.
What are the compliments given to the customers when they buy the bikes?
Same question you have repeated again in a different way. Okay, no problem. No compliments at all, to be frank. No. In the bike showroom, no such compliments. Understand? If the compliments are given by announced by the company, and moreover, whatever the compliments you have to give, you have to get the approval from the Suzuki. Only if they give the approval, we can give it. And we cannot deny for one person and it can be extended to others. It should be given equal to everyone. For the play of 6 months back, the company has offered a pair of watches for an hour. It is obvious. Every customer. If there is any compliments, then we definitely do.
We look at the consumers' buying behavior, like when the consumer come to a showroom with no knowledge of what is the brand and what is the models there, how do they explain to you we need this kind of vehicle?
I don't think that the consumer may not have the knowledge, because now almost everything is in the phone. To be frank, everybody is having Android mobile system. When a customer enters here, he knows fully about the product. That was my experience. We cannot judge that he doesn't know anything. He knows everything and he just wants to know whether we are able to convincing or wrong. Understand? Almost 99.9% of the customer knows what is the product, what is the price, and everything is. What is the specification they are. They are
Come to take delivery.
Yeah. Now it is everything is in the hand. The global is in your hand. So naturally it is there. So we cannot prejudge like that.
Okay. So now what are the payment process available in this showroom?
Sir, to be frank, though for customers, two kinds. One customer, only cash and carry. No issue. If he send the proper documents with us, like their address proof, Aadhaar card, voter card, in this jurisdiction and driving license, there is no issue at all for us to deliver the vehicle immediately. Suppose they opt for payment, they are having some alignments with the financial. They are having some adjustments with the pricing. Like say now, IndusInd Bank, HDFC, Howard, and even the bankers. If they opt the financial, it's okay. But at the same time, once the payment is released, or if they give the release order, after collecting the down payment, we will deliver.
And what is the EMI basically?
EMI that depends on how much amount they are paying.
What is the tenure of the EMI?
24 months.
24 months.
24
for every month.
Yeah. That's the maximum. 12 to 24. 12 to 24. That is according to their policy. They can collect. Right?
Yes. Okay. Now, sir, next question is what are the factors affecting the consumers not to buy the product from the showroom in general?
As I told you, if already a customer has fixed a brand in his mind, he will not change.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yes.
Those who are having a wavering mind to get the bike from here or somewhere else or something else, then only there is a. That depends only on their friends. They will come. This kind of people will come in a group. If they come with a single man, their mind will not be changed. Most probably. Suppose they are coming in a group, 2 or 3 friends. One person will say, hey, this color is not good.
Yeah.
And one man will say that the seat is not good. We will go there. Likewise, there is the chances to skip out.
Okay.
And as I told you, money.
Okay.
Every product is having its own value.
Okay.
What you are paying should be real value to this product. So they may have in that manner. According to that, 1 or 2 customers may think from me. That's quite natural, unavoidable also. Understand?
How many customers visit the showroom regularly on an average basis? 10 to 15. So how many take the delivery?
No. We cannot predict that 15 members are entering into the showroom for enquiry and that 15 person will be collecting the vehicle.
Okay, sir.
Out of that, it will be around 3 to 4. That may be the ratio.
So daily you will sell around 4 to 5 vehicles per day?
Average 8.
Okay, sir.
According to that.
So that's a question with our general manager of this showroom, and it was really a nice time asking him the questions, and he gave us a memorable answers, and it was so easily understandable. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you a lot. Thank you very much.
So good afternoon everyone. இப்போ நம்ம துர்கபவானி மோட்டார்ஸில் வந்து இன்டர்வியூ எடுத்துகிட்டு இருக்கோம். இப்போ வந்து ஒரு கஸ்டமர் இங்கே வந்து ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் இப்போ கஸ்டமர் வந்து இங்கே ப்ராடக்ட் வாங்கியிருக்காரு. அவர்கிட்ட ஒரு ஸ்மால் இன்டர்வியூ மாதிரி நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஸோ வணக்கம் சார். ஸோ உங்களை பற்றி ஒரு ஃபியூ வேர்ட்ஸ்.
நான் வந்து சுசுகி ஆக்சஸ் 125 நேம் செஞ்சுருக்கேன். கான்டினென்டல் ஆட்டோமொபைல் இந்தியாவில் பெங்களூர். ஸோ ஆட்டோமொபைலில் ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்டு. ஸோ இந்த ப்ளூடூத் வெர்ஷன் வந்து நல்லா இருக்கும் அப்படின்ற ரிவ்யூஸ் பார்த்துருவாங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு பைக்
ஓகே, கங்க்ராட்ஸ். இந்த ஷோரூமை பற்றி நீங்கள் எப்படி தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டீங்க? இந்த ஷோரூம் இருக்குது, இந்த இடத்துல இந்த ப்ராடக்ட்
எடுத்துக்கிறாங்க.
ஸோ ஃப்ரெண்ட் உங்களுக்கு சஜஸ்ட் பண்ணாரா? அவர் இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் எடுத்துருக்காரு, இங்கே எடுத்துருக்காரு, இங்கே அவர் என்ன பைக் எடுத்துருக்காரு? ஓகே. நிறைய பைக்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு இருக்குது அவைலபிலிட்டிஸ். ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்காக நீங்கள் இந்த சுசுகி பைக் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் நீங்கள் திங்க் பண்ணிக்கலாம்?
இது வந்து ஜப்பான் மேன். ஸோ பில்ட் குவாலிட்டி இன்ஜின் நல்லா ஸ்டைலை விட வந்து பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் பில்ட் குவாலிட்டி.
ஸோ உங்களுக்கு இந்த பைக் ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிக்கிறதுனால இப்போ ஸோ இப்போ நீங்கள் வந்து சுசுகி ஆக்சஸ் மட்டும் நீங்கள் வாங்கிருக்கீங்க, என்ன ஸ்பெசிஃபிகேஷனுக்காக நீங்கள் வாங்குறது?
இது வந்து டாப் மாடலில் ராயல் பிரான்ஸ் மாடல். அது இல்லாமல் ப்ளூடூத் டிஜிட்டல். ஸோ பட் அதுதான் எனக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கு.
ஓகே,
இது வந்து கம்மி.
ஆன்லைன் வீல்ஸ் நம்ம ஸ்பெசிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு. இப்போ இந்த ஷோரூம் வந்து உங்களுக்கு இங்கே கொடுக்குற அந்த கஸ்டமர் சர்வீஸ் உங்களுக்கு சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷனாக இருக்கா? எல்லா வகையிலும் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறாங்க அவங்களும் நல்லா. ஓகே, நீங்கள் வந்து இங்கே ஷோரூமில் பைக் எடுக்கிறது வந்துருக்கீங்க, இந்த மாதிரி நீங்கள் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்டலாம் ஷேர் பண்ணுவீங்களா இந்த பைக் நல்லா இருக்குது அப்படின்னு?
கண்டிப்பாக
இப்போ லாஸ்ட்டாக உங்களுக்கு ஒரு சிம்பிள் கேட்குறேன், இந்த ஷோரூமுக்கு நீங்கள் 10க்கு எவ்வளோ ரேட்டிங் கொடுப்பீங்க? 9 கொடுப்பீங்களா? அந்த 1 எத்தனை நீங்கள்
பிடிக்காதே இல்லை.
சரி, ஓகே. இப்போ அண்ணா கிட்ட வந்து நிறைய நம்ம திங்ஸ் நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டோம் இந்த ஷோரூமை பற்றி அண்ட் அவரோட ஸ்பெசிஃபிகேஷன், அவரோட ஸ்டைல் ஆஃப் திங்கிங் அண்ட் அவரோட மார்க்கெட்டிங் ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி பற்றி நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டோம். ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்ண்ணா, நீங்கள் இந்த டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். ஸோ தட்ஸ் இட் த வீடியோ கைஸ். ஸோ இன்னொரு சூப்பரான வீடியோஸ் வந்துட்டு இருக்கும். டாட்டா பை பை ஃப்ரம் ஜிகே. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ கைஸ்.